Hi everyone, my name is Beverly Kate Tang, and along with my husband Robert Tang, we are the owners of danceScape. Here at danceScape, we're all about fun, fitness, friendship, and romance. And for the past 20 years, we have been teaching people to dance in the downtown Burlington area. Now, of course, we know we've been living in very disruptive times. And in terms of coming to class, well, we want to make sure that our students, whether you're returning students or whether you're new to danceScape, that you feel safe coming into our location to enjoy our classes. So we just want to take you through some of our safety protocols that we have in place so that you know what to expect when you visit us here at danceScape. So as you can see, when you first come into danceScape, we will be asking you to wear a mask. So please bring along a mask, and if you don't have one, well, just hang on a minute and I'll be telling you about what we've got in store for you. We have hand sanitation for you all over. So the first one we have is coming in right here. So this is a pump dispenser. If you wish to use that, please go ahead and do that. Secondly, if you don't want to use the pump dispenser, we have here a motion sensor dispenser. Very close proximity to each other, so you're welcome to use one or the other. Now, when you are visiting us, either for the first time, perhaps coming to our open houses, or if you are registered students, we will need for you to sign both a waiver form and a questionnaire, a COVID questionnaire. If you are a registered student in our classes, you will be receiving this on a PDF. For those of you visiting us here at danceScape, these will be available for you to complete. We also have on hand a thermometer so that if we need to take your temperature, we can do so. Also, what we have are gloves. So if you feel more comfortable wearing gloves when you arrive, please feel free to wear a pair, and they can be disposed of at the end of the class before you leave the building. Now, earlier I talked about masks when we got some exciting products for you. So here we have a selection of a really fun mask for you to purchase at danceScape.com, or you can also purchase them directly here from us. We have dance-related ones, we have ones with all the steps on, as you can see, all the little feet, as well as we have some really fun ones that if you like martinis or drinks, we have those as well. We have this wonderful blingy shield, as well as another one that has all of the dance motifs on it. So if you're looking for something fun to wear for your classes and you don't have anything at the moment, we have everything here for you to purchase. Again, danceScape.com. You're going to be joining us for our next open house. I just want to walk you through what to expect when you join us here at danceScape. So as you enter through the main doors, and once you've used any of the hand sanitation devices, at this table here, we're going to have a check-in, which will be screened off. And then once you have come in here and signed our both the questionnaire and the COVID waiver form, you are then going to enter into the ballroom and just take a seat until we're ready to start the open house. Once your class is over, we just want to point out what your exit door is going to be. The front doors will no longer be the exit. You will be exiting actually through what says exit. So please make your way to the back door here. If you are wearing gloves, you can dispose of them right here. If you wish to hand sanitize as you leave, we have a dispenser for you to use. And then finally, this will be your exit. This will be your exit, which will take you out into the parking lot.